Hello mga katsararat and welcome back sa ating channel. So for today's video, mag-a-unbox na naman tayo ng Budol finds natin during the 6/6 sale. And yes, and we got this item from Shopee. So ayan, so i-unbox natin to. Ano nga ba tong item na to? But before we start, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe at bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may bago tayong update. Alright, so for this item, so again, nakuha natin to during the 6/6 sale. Ayan, so in-order ko to last Saturday. Then, nakuha natin siya ng Monday since wala silang shipment ng Sunday. Ayan. So, open muna natin. So, ano nga ba itong item natin? So, ito yung nga pala yung Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. Ayan. So, tignan muna natin kung legit na na cellphone ba talaga yung nakuha nating item. Ayan, so open muna natin. Based on the information that we got online, this unit was released April of 2026. So ayan, so actually kung titingnan nyo rin siya dun sa website, isa siya sa pinakabagong release ni Samsung this year. Ayan. So anyway guys, kung wala pa rin pala kayong yung Shopback account, I suggest na mag-download na rin kayo. Nandun yung link sa baba. So you'll get instant rebate for all your purchases or for your online purchases. Ayan. So just like with this item, so makakakuha tayo ng parang rebate for purchasing this item. Ayan. So, masyadong ayaw ipabukas yung ating item. Masyadong ang dami niyang pagkakabalot. Ayan. So, masyadong secured. Alright. So, yan. Ang liit lang pala ng laman niya. Okay. So, here's the actual item. Ayan. So, madumi lang yung box. So, again, this is the Galaxy A37 5G. So again, it was released April of 2026, and based on Samsung website, this was retailed for 25,900. But during the 6/6, nakuha lang natin siya for only 9,405 pesos. And what's good with the deal is nagamit ko yung aking SPay Later Limit Extra. So I also got this on a deferred payment of 6 months at 0 interest rate, 'di ba? So good deal talaga, 'di ba? And we also have here the lavender color. Ayan. So ito yung pinaka-box niya. So ito yung pinaka-upper. So naka-sealed naman siya. Then dito sa gilid nakalagay, ayan, closer look. It says here slim design and long-lasting battery, enhanced camera, then intelligent features, AI select, and 6 times DS. What's that? It's OS or security. So yun nga. So meron daw siyang up to 6 major Android upgrades. So ayan. So open na natin. Napansin ko lang habang patagal ng patagal, paliit ng paliit yung mga box ng mga mobile phones, no? So let's see. Alright, so very straightforward yung item agad. Ayan, ang ganda ng pagkakakulay niya. Actually, I prefer sana yung white, kaya lang hindi siya available. So it's only charcoal and lavender. So between the two, para maiba lang. So I got the purple one. So tignan natin to. So we have here the ejector. Then we also have here, of course, the cable cord. Ayan. So type C, pareho. Then we also have here, ayan, package, content. We have here the device. And closer look. Then USB cable, ejector pin, and quick start guide. So ayan. So, yun lang. So, yun lang yung pinakalaman ng kanyang box. So let's remove this one. So ayan. So actually hindi ko muna siya pala i-open. So this is just an unboxing video. So because I need to transfer yung kung anong account yung ita-transfer ko dito sa phone na to. So here's the actual unit. So it says that the body is this is made up of plastic frame, ayan. Pero mukha namang siyang premium. Then at the back it says it's made of a glass back. So ayan. So ang di ko lang siya gusto sa ganito is yung fingerprint. So ayan, kung makikita, puro fingerprint na siya. Then yeah, so we have here 3 cameras. So we have the 50 megapixel, the 8 megapixel, and the 5 megapixel. And we also have here yung kanyang flash. Then for the front camera, it's also 12 megapixel. And yung nga palang pinaka-screen niya, this is already Super AMOLED. And it also glass front niya yung Gorilla Glass Victus Plus na siya. So ayan. So actually na modify ko na siya or na register ko na din siya. So actually that's what's nice with Samsung device and with Android. So if you have previous Android phones, you can easily copy yung mga application from the old phone to the new one. So ayan, so ito yung pinakataas niya. So I don't know, I think this is also a microphone on top. And on the left side niya, we have here the volume up and down. And actually, it's on the right side. But yeah, sorry, it's on the right side. So we have the volume, then the power button. Then at the bottom part niya, we have here yung pinaka speaker. Then we have also, I think this is also microphone. Then the charging port, and we also have the SIM tray. So it's dual SIM, pero hindi na expandable yung kanyang memory. And if you notice, wala na rin siya yung kanyang 3.5 mm na jack. So napansin nyo wala na rin siya. So yun nga, so it's not expandable. So we have here the Samsung logo. So what we got pala, this is the 8 by 128 gigabyte na model. So ayan. So when I purchased this in Shopee site, it says lavender, pero sa website it's light violet. So ayan. So yeah, it's kulay ube na light, ayan siya. So that's it for now. So if you have any questions, comments, and suggestion, lagay niyo lang yan sa comment section below. At sasagutin natin yan. And kung hindi pa rin kayo nakasubscribe sa aking channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may bago tayong upload. And you can also share this video to your friends. So ayun. So thank you for joining me for this another unboxing, and you enjoy the rest of the day. Bye!